Third example, for the chem pair. For the chem pair, look here. Let's say this is a 4-bar mechanism. Sorry, I'm suffering from cold for last 3-4 days. This is a 4-bar mechanism. Okay, so we can convert this into equivalent chem pair. And what will be there in chem pair? Chem pair will get what? One binary link. Total binary link will be replaced by a chem pair. Okay, now how we will replace it? Look, this will become a chem like structure like this, and this chem is hinge here, and this will become chem like structure like this, and it is hinged here. So at this point they will form a chem pair. Two chems are in contact at this location. Clear or not? Two chems are in contact at this location. So this can be converted into an equivalent chem pair like this. Like this. Okay. So totally one link is replaced. Totally one link is replaced. This was link 1, this was link 2, this was link 3, this was link 4, this was link 1. So link 1 is here, link 2 is here, link 4 is here, and link 1 is here. So totally this link, third link, this is replaced by the chem pair. This is replaced by a chem pair. Yes or no? So this is how. Now you can check the degree of freedom. So for degree of freedom for 4-bar mechanism, you already know this is a 4-bar mechanism. So here degree of freedom, no need to again calculate, it will be 1. Here you can check the degree of freedom. N equal to how many? 1, 2 and 4. So total will be 3. Lower pair will be how many? This will be the first lower pair, means 1 revolutory. This will be 2 revolutories. 2 lower pairs are there. Yes or no? 2 are. How many higher pair? This time there is higher pair also. This is higher pair. Yes or no? Higher pair here. Higher pair here. Yes or no? So higher pair is equal to 1. So what will be the degree of freedom? 3n minus 1 minus 2 L minus H, and there is no redundancy, so no need. So here what we can take, 3 into 2 minus 2 into 2, ये कितना बनेगा? -1. 6 minus 4 minus 1, again its degree of freedom will be 1. Okay, degree of freedom. अभी कोई बोलेगा सर redundant है तो I can rotate it like this, I can rotate it like this, no disturbance. But if you will rotate like this, then there will be disturbance. Yes or no? तो ये कल ही बात हो गई थी, कल ही समझ गए थे आप. ऐसा नहीं है, कैसे भी अगर डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है मीन्स इट इज डिस्टर्बिंग. That's it. So same degree of freedom is there. So actually this is equivalent mechanism now. So you can convert this into this, or you can convert this into this if given in exam. Any way you can solve. You can solve it either by this or by that method. Yes or no? Either by this or that method. Yes or no? Everyone clear? अभी इधर देखो, यहाँ पर लेफ्ट साइड how many links are there? How many links are there? Links are 4. And how many lower pair are there? You can check. 1 revolutory, 2 revolutory, 3 revolutory, 4 revolutory, है ना? 4 revolutory, 4 revolutory, and higher pair is 0. Higher pair is 0. And right side, what is happening? One higher pair is increased from here to here. One higher pair increased, and lower pair are decreased by 2. Lower pair are decreased by 2. बात समझ आई कि नहीं आई? Higher pair increased by 1 only, but lower pairs are decreased by 2. Okay, decreased by 2. So you can write here, for equivalent mechanism, one higher pair is equivalent to 2 lower pair. Sometime they ask you in the theoretical question, there you can directly write. Okay, so here, hence for equivalent mechanism, we can say one higher pair is equivalent to 2 lower pairs. Two lower pairs. Just by perfect example, we came to know this. Yes or no? क्लियर है बात? कैम पेयर का हम लोग और एक एग्जाम्पल देख सकते हैं. वी कैन सी वन मोर एग्जाम्पल फॉर द कैम पेयर. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4. Let's say this is a slider. Okay, this is a slider. And these are two binary links connected like this. Okay, the similar arrangement or similar kinematics can be achieved by the cam and follower. By the cam and follower. अरे बाबा, okay, so look here, how many number of links are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 4 links are there, and if you will calculate, degree of freedom for this will be 1. Okay, now calculate here how many number of link. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. Yes or no? So this total link 3 is replaced by a cam pair. Yes or no? So it is replaced by this cam pair. So here when you will calculate the degree of freedom, so n will be equal to 3 and your L will be equal to how many? 1 L will be here prismatic, 1 L will be here revolutory. Yes or no? So this will be 1 R, this will be 2 prismatic, so 1 R plus 1 prismatic, 2 lower pair, and higher pair is 1. So what will be the degree of freedom? 3n minus 1 minus 2L minus H. Okay, so 2 3 is 6 minus 4 minus 1 equal to 1. So again degree of freedom will be 1. So they can be said that these are the equivalent mechanism. Yes or no? These are the equivalent mechanism. Yes or no? So this is also example of Campere. बन गया सभी का? ड्रॉ कर दो फटाफट. ड्रॉ इट. ड्रॉ इट. काढ़ा वाड़ा पीना पड़ेगा. कैम्पेयर का रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं समझा. क्या नहीं समझे? कैम्पेयर में आपको क्या बोला है? जब भी आप रिप्लेस करेंगे, सो वन बाइनरी लिंक, टोटल आप लिंक को हटा देंगे. यू विल रिमूव वन बाइनरी लिंक बाय ए कैम्पेयर. कैम्पेयर. ओके. सो यू कैन चेक हियर. When you are converting this into a Campere, this is a Campere. Two cams are connecting here, so this is a Campere. Campere means point or line contact. Higher pair. ये cam कैसा होगा? It will be like two plates. It will be like two plates. Two plates. How to draw? It will be like two plates. Okay, so these two plates will be in contact here. So when these two plates are in contact like this, so there will be line contact. Yes or no? This is line contact here. Two discs are in contact, so this is a cam pair. Means higher pair. Means point or line contact. So clearly it is line contact. Yes or no? So this is called your cam pair. What is the problem? Clear? So totally one link. Link 3 is replaced by a cam pair. Second case में here also link 3 is replaced by a Campere. Link 4 is there, link 2 is there, but link 3 is replaced. इसको मैंने 3 लिख दिया इसलिए कंफ्यूज हो गए क्या? Now clear? Very good. Shall we move further? Good.